Today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today we're back inside of our Titanoboa favorites project interacting Viper contract section of the module. And today we're going to go over those debugging statements and show you how they affect our favorites.vi contract. So we're going to pull up the contract now. I actually have our contract pulled up. Now remember when I told you that if we try to run a debugging statement inside of our Viper contract, it's going to throw an error. But if we try to run it without the print message, everything should go through fine. So first and foremost, I ran the contract without this line here. I had it printed out, and this line contains our print with the message sender, message.sender. So you can see our hex code came through fine with no issues. And I actually uncommented it out. As you can see, it's stated is here, uncommented. I'll move down a little bit. As you can see, it did throw that error, letting us know that the contract has an error. The contract is from favorites.vi file, saying that's the store function. You can see this is the store function, letting us know that it's on line 25.4. You can see that says line 25. Ultimately, you can see we got that warning. Viper warn, print should only be used for debugging. No. So basically, it's letting us know that the Viper's contract or the Vipers.vi file can't handle the print statement because it has this debugging information here, or print in general can't handle the print statement, so that's why it's throwing an error. But basically, you see what it looks like. So without the print statement here, you can see the hex code came through fine, everything worked the way it should. I uncommented out the print statement, and you can see we got this error here. Ultimately, it still ran our hex code. As you can see here, it still came through, but we did get that one letting us know that our Vipers.vi file can't handle the print statement. So you see here we have our warning, Viper warn, print should only be used for debugging. No. Basically, that's what it looks like inside of the Vipers.vi contract when we try to use our debugging statements. So yeah, that's that. Now we can move forward. Now, of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.